let me show you something that's really exciting. This is our brand new alignment machine. It can check your alignment and your tire depth at the same time as you come in. We can tell you if you need tires or you need alignment in about 30 seconds.
30 seconds, you're going to tell us what the tire tread depth is and if the alignment is on?
Yes, as soon as he sets up the machine, he drives over it, and in about 30 seconds it prints out and tells you what your tire depth is, tells you if you need alignment or not. If it's green, we'll let you know that your tires are doing well. This way you know that your tires will last you for a long time. First in Santa Fe to have that, just for you.
That's awesome. I love it. So Paul, tell me about this report. What is it telling us?
So what it does is once we hook up the sensors on the tires, we go ahead and pull the car forward, and it'll tell us if the car needs an alignment. Then after that, they're going to drive the vehicle over, and it'll actually check the tire dead tread. So this will report and tell us if the tires are out of alignment. This one shows it's failed, so the alignment, the front toe is out, and it shows that the tires all passed. So the tire depth is perfect on this car, so it needs an alignment.
That's awesome. Is this machine up here, is that part of it?
Yeah, what that does is that's what the laser are, and it reads the sensors, and that's how you can tell if it needs alignment. It's just like if you put a car on an alignment machine, set up the sensors, it's the exact same technology, but it's done in about 30 to 60 seconds.
I love that. I love efficiency.